Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token prediction. Now, storing 1 billion Tectonic token definitely is going to return high profit if Tectonic token deletes between 1 or 2 zeros between 2023 and 2024. Tectonic token currently is trading with about 7 zeros, and I believe that there's a possibility that Tectonic token can destroy between 1 or 2 zero. That is, Tectonic token will be trading with about 5 zeros. Even if Tectonic token can destroy that number, that means we must have earned about 10,000% increase in price. So even if you have just $50, you might be having about $500 in return. $100, you might be having about $1,000 in return. $10, you might be having about $100 in return. Of course, it's still good return on investment for me because there is no business that can return such so fast. The truth is, Tectonic token still have a long way to go. I know Tectonic token project, their roadmap is out, and they promised a lot of things. And I believe that if they can really focus, on getting this Tectonic token to partner with so many companies, and in area of making this coin popular, that alone is going to create a major impact for Tectonic token, because people can only talk about the coin, people can only buy, people can only invest on the coins they actually know, and they believe on the project, they believe on what they are doing. So I think Tectonic developers need to run, in fact they should copy what Floki Inu did. What did Floki Inu did? You can remember Floki Inu did a social media campaign, an offline campaign. On the street of London, Floki Inu was everywhere. They did a rally for Floki Inu on the train station, on the bus station. Floki Inu logo was everywhere. People were talking about Floki Inu. With the rally they did in London, I mean, Floki Inu became so much popular. Even on television, they did so many adverts, and people started having interest in Floki Inu, and Floki Inu started pumping, and we saw that Floki Inu really pumped. Today, Floki Inu is the number 3 most successful memo coin after Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. You talk about Floki Inu. So I think that is going to help Tectonic token. Let's run a social media campaign, an offline campaign. People need to know more about Tectonic token, especially now that Crypto.com are sponsoring the World Cup. They are part of the World Cup sponsor. If you are watching World Cup footballs, you will see Crypto.com. You will see Crypto.com right there. Okay, they will see the logos on the field. So I believe that this is going to help Tectonic token to really increase in price. Note that Tectonic token is being hosted by Crypto.com, and they are really showing great support for this token. And I believe 2023 is going to be a better year for Tectonic token holders. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.